Hello and welcome to the Principles of Programming, the last video for Chapter 5 Labs in C++. Um, so please smash that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you're unable to hit the like button or leave a comment, it's probably because you're not logged in. If you don't have a login, go ahead and take less than a minute to create yourself a login. It's free, and you'll help you navigate YouTube a lot easier. Alright, so the last video in this series, or in this Chapter 5 Labs for C++, is going to be Chapter 5 C++ Lab 5-7, validating user input. Alright, so let's go to our task and take a quick look at the code and see what we're working with. So our task is, in this lab, you will make additions to a C++ program provided the program is a guessing game. A random number between 1 and 10 is generated in the program. The user enters a number between 1 and 10, trying to guess the correct number. If the user guesses correctly, the program congratulates the user, and then the loop that controls guessing numbers exists. Otherwise, the program ask the user if they want to guess again. If the user enters yes, they can guess again. If the user uses no or n, the loop exits. You can see the y or n. N is the sensitive value that controls the loop. So the y or n is the sensitive value that controls the loop. Note that the entire program has been written for you. You need to add code that validates correct input, which is y or n, when the user is asked if they want to guess a number, and a number in the range of 1 through 10 when the user is asked to guess a number. Alright, comments have been included in the code to help you identify where these loops should be written. And write loops, task 1 is write loops that validate input at all places in the code where the user is asked to provide input. And the program can be executed several times to ensure that random number changes. So here's what it should look like. Do you want to guess a number? Enter yes or no. I'm thinking of a number. Try to guess by entering a number between 1 and 10. 2, that is not correct. Do you want to guess again? So that's what it'll look like. So let's dive into the code. So we see we have our variables selected. Prime and loop. Generate random numbers already there. Prime and loop, cancel in, cancel out. So validate input is where we're going to put basically all of our code. So there's one here, there's one there, there's like 3 or 4 validate inputs. So let's go ahead and start on the first one and see where we can pick up. Hit enter to create us some space to work with. And loop. Okay, so let's go with start our while loop by while to get started, and keep going. These variables again, make sure your string, keep going. User number and number. Okay, so we did while. Got my caps lock on, so that's not good. Take that off. Go back to the beginning and go. Keep going. Same old definition equals y. Notice there's no space because this is like the greater than or less than or equal to. So those are together. There's a space here, of course. And then let's go y, and let's try double ampersands again. Keep going. Keep going. And no. So yeah, so yes or no basically. And in. And okay. Nothing needed there because we're going to do our bracket for a while. Yes, we are. Braces, brackets. All right. So there. Now let's do our output ones. T. And let's go with invalid response. Don't need a space because they're going to tell us that and we don't want to have inputs. So let's go. Please type Y or N. Okay, leave a space for Y or N, and then our semicolon after that. Then we need to do our councilman keep going. C-I-N, and keep going. Alright, so there we have that one. And enter the loop, that looks good. Validate user input here. Let's go for there. Let's see. Input. So let's do another wow for this one. And this one's going to be user number. Greater than 1. Use the OR pipes. User number. Actually, user number less than 1 or greater than 10. Yeah, that sounds right. User number greater than 1 or less than 1 and greater than 10. And there's our bracket. Same thing. Let's go to the next line. Do our braces, brackets. And we'll use our, what did we do last time? Councilman, council out, councilman. So these will be, I'll just spell it out. C-O-U-T. Number must be in the range of 1 to 10. See the numbers. 10. Alright, so we got there. And then let's add please try again. It gets the wrong one. And space and our semicolon. Alright, let's move some more space so you can see all of our code. Yeah. Okay. Cancel out. Number must be in the range of now 1 to 10. So that is higher, that is can't be lower than 1, can't be higher than 10 or greater than 10. Can't be less than 1, can't be greater than 10. So please try again if it is. Alright, so if they put something in there that's 0 or higher than 10, then I'll get that message. Please try again. Alright, C-I-N. Cancel in. That way, and then this should be user number again. Alright, so let's see what else we got. That looks pretty. So let's go down and see. Count in, cancel in, keep going, no. Correct, keep going. So probably input again, let's try one more of these, and there's some more room to work with, 2 lines. So let's go to C-O-U-T. Why I copied that. And then we're going to go, that's not correct. And then period. And then let's keep that going. Do you want to guess again? Question, and from there let them enter a choice. Enter Y or N. semicolon, of course, and then our CIN. Guess what goes next? Let me keep going. Actually, we left out our while statement. Yeah, let's go back. Move something was off. Do 2. Let's do while. And keep going at this point. Going. Equal. And if it's yes, keep going. And outside of that, double ampersand again. Keep going. And no. So. And we do our this is when we do our brackets. And we're going to do these. Manually. Okay, so there we go. So I do my other while statement. I'll do that one. I know I did. Wow. Close. Pop. Got it. All right. So now finish our council in. We gotta keep going. Oops. Going. Semicolon. All right. It looks like everything is on. You can simplify it this time instead of bouncing around. So first one, the first validate input is on line 24. It's while, keep going. It's equal to y, and keep going is equal to no. Either one is, so invalid response. Please type y or n. So if you don't type y or n, you'll get this. Got it? Keep going. Then we go to validate input. While username is, if basically while the user number is less than 1 or higher than 10, you'll get the number must be in the range of 1 to 10. Please try again. Colon, quotes, and semicolon. And then the council in is user number. That's semicolon. Let's go down to this validate input, line 57. Well, keep going. Still the same, so the same. That's not correct. Do you want to guess again? Enter Y or N. Nothing there, and keep going. All right, that looks good. Let's try to see what we get. Let's move this over so we can see our looking for this here. Do you want to guess a number? Yep, I do want to guess a number, so let's hit Y. Enter. Pick a number. I'll try 2. And that's not correct. We'll guess again. Y. 5. Oh, that's correct. I'm a genius. That's great. But anyway, program works. Let's calculate our grade. And this, while we're waiting for it to calculate, you can look at the code again. The first line we worked with was 39. Validate input. You see here. Then we went on down to line 57. And there was more. Yep, 39 to 42. So there's 3 validated inputs, 25 to 28. And you see we got our 100%, and there's our 2 green check marks that we completed that lesson, which was 5-7. So that's all for Chapter 5, C++. So hope you enjoyed this video. And once again, if you have not liked the video, please go ahead and hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again. Have a wonderful day.